Hey there everyone, welcome to DM Car Reviews. Today we are driving a very special car on our channel. This is a 2006 Saab 9.3 Aero wagon. Very unique vehicle, and I want to say a big thank you to 19 Auto Group of Chantilly, Virginia for providing me this car. But let's get her fired up and go take a look outside. It is very unfortunate that Saab doesn't exist anymore as a brand. They don't make these cars, because these were truly phenomenal, unique vehicles which stood out from anything else on the market. They were a Swedish brand. They made hatchbacks, wagons, and they all had those cool turbos, manuals. So pretty much what an auto enthusiast would want. And they were built well, they were luxurious and safe. And this is actually my first time driving a Saab in my life. I've never driven one before, so this is going to be very interesting. So hopping in the back, I'm 6'2", and it actually feels a little bit tight in here, but you know, despite my height, I can still fit in here comfortably. We got these sport bucket seats, rear air vents, and the leather feels high quality. It feels like I'm in a Volvo. I would not be surprised if the materials here are actually the same that Volvo used back in the day, because even the smell is the same. We got good solid doors, and this trim right here, this is exactly the same trim that was in my 2005 Volvo XC70. Same feel, same texture, everything, even the smell. Let's open the trunk, check out the engine as well. For some reason it is locked. And to be fair, I'm not very familiar with Saabs in general or their features. Oh, there we go. So I do have to look around for the buttons and everything. There we go. A huge practical trunk. You can easily put your dog here, your suitcases, whatever you need, fold the seats, go skiing. So it's super duper practical. And over all these years, the car has kept up its shape very well. The body, the interior, the only thing that faded is the badge, but that's about it. This is the V6 turbo. So this is an even more rare unit. We got the headlight washers. So let's look inside. Look at these two-tone racing seats, or bucket sport seats, whatever you want to call them. Amazing. The doors feel solid, and I gotta say, these front seats are absolutely incredible. The steering wheel gives me Volvo vibes as well, the S60R vibes, just the shape of it, the feel. And we have these aluminum inserts, which feel very good. We got the radio system here, and also our gauge there that shows us our information. So temperature, ooh, that was sudden. We got our our glove box. Some more storage space. Let's do a wiper test. You can see the headlight washers in action. We got the front heated seats. Let's adjust our mirrors, and this is where the adjustment is. Never seen that in the car before. This is super cool. We got a sunroof, lighted visor, Everything is kept up very well over the years. But let's release the parking brake and head out. Oh, very good loud horn. Blinkers sound exactly like the Mini Coopers nowadays. Tick, 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 tick. The engine sounds nice and deep, has that little growl to it. And we got the turbo gauge right here. Oh, does this car have some good pull to it? This Saab has some good torque. The steering is direct, instant. Feels like a Mini Cooper. And I have to say, I really like this layout of the dashboard, how it's facing me and I can customize. I have all these buttons, climate buttons. I can turn the AC on and off. Oh, this is so cool. We got the auto. But let's get going. Can definitely hustle. So the brakes in this specific unit, they are a little bit worn out, like the rotors, so we do get a little bit of braking feedback when we're slowing down. But beside that, I mean, the air conditioner blows ice cold. So this car just needed some new rotors, pads, and an alignment, and it would be great to go like new. The seating position feels excellent. I see everything all around me, but my favorite part are the seats. They are so comfortable, very supportive. This is the cruising gear, the 6th cruising gear. Also, there's a lot of torque down below. So far, I gotta say, I really love the experience of this car. Just the feel of it, and it feels really nice. Handling is a 10 out of 10. It's so maneuverable, so effortless, responds to inputs really well. Good U-turn radius. Well, let's get out our RaceBox and we'll do a 0 to 60 test down there just to see how quick this car gets up to 60, and then we will wrap up our test drive. Yeah, this Saab can really move. So it's 65, it's showing 62.5. So about 2.5 miles per hour discrepancy with the speedometer. But the low end torque is just phenomenal. I'm pressing about 50% onto the throttle. right, so we did 0 to 60 in 7.36 seconds. That is very good. All right, well, to summarize the test drive, I gotta say, this is one of my favorite driving cars so far that I've tried. All these years later, it drives like a dream, has great performance, even without a great launch or anything. Still 7.3 seconds, 0 to 60, just like that with the AC on. I can't imagine how fast this car was when it was brand new. What a beast. It handles phenomenally. The seats are incredible, just incredible. The steering is direct. Again, I love this car. I gotta say, this is actually one of my favorite cars that I've ever driven. The gearing is perfect as well. It's very easy to get used to the clutch, the gear shifter. Just a super agile, playful car with plenty of low-end torque and a good engine sound. I wish they never stopped making these cars because they were really a joy to drive. They're exactly what you would want from a car like this. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and until next time.